Alright everybody, today is the day 3rd of the hunger strike of Sonam Wangchuk, which is going on at Jantar Mantar for demanding the resignation of the Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan. And the hunger strike is organized by Cockroach Janata Party. And I think today Sonam Wangchuk was checked by some doctors and they said that the blood sugar level of Sonam Wangchuk has fallen to 66 units, which is very low, quite low than the normal optimal blood sugar that a normal person should have. This means that the hunger strike is showing some debilitating effects on his body. And yesterday some of the videos were going on social media and people were claiming that he is drinking some juice or he is taking some electrolytes or something. Today Abhijit Dipke has said that he is just drinking water, minerals and salts. He is not eating anything. He is just on these three things: water, salts and minerals. And the protest is showing no signs of stopping. They are not slowing down. And some of the student bodies like ISA, All India Student Association, and many other student organizations have also came in support of them, and they also have organized their own hunger strikes or one-day unshans to show support to the Cockroach Janata Party and their demands, to show their support to Sonam Wangchuk and their demands and his demands. And Nitin Nabeen, the president of the BJP, was in Telangana today and he said that the many viruses and cockroaches are coming to India and they are trying to destabilize India. He was saying that they are a part of the wider network of the Tukde Tukde gang. They want to cut India into pieces. Just the normal allegations, the usual allegations that these guys would use against any of their opposition, against any of their opponents. And he was in Telangana, he said this. And yesterday I said that I am not thinking that they would be able to make the government to fulfill their demands. I do not think they will be able to get the resignation of Dharmendra Pradhan. But today I saw, this was the news in Dainik Bhaskar, it said that Dharmendra Pradhan along with some other ministers, they might get some another ministries. They can resign from their portfolios and they will be handled some other portfolios, and some of the ministers would resign altogether without getting any other portfolio. So this is just pure rumor, just pure speculations. Nothing of it has been clear yet, but these rumors have been going on for a very long time, and some of the people were saying that Dharmendra Pradhan might get the finance portfolio and Nirmala Sitharaman would be the defense minister and Rajnath Singh would be the president of the country. These are just pure speculations. I'm not saying they are true. I'm not saying it is going to happen. I have just read them in the news and they could be true. These are just pure speculations. But speaking of the strike, yeah, the strike is going on strong. People are coming to support them, but judging just by the attention or just by the traction that they are getting, I'm not sure that they would be able to make Dharmendra Pradhan resign. They need something more. But I'm not aware of how many days a person can go on hunger strike without eating anything, just on salt, water and minerals. I really do not know anything about this. I don't know how many days Anna Hazare did his hunger strike for. I'm not aware of it. I think Baba Ramdev also did his hunger strike back in the day, but I am not aware how many days it went before some kid just handed him the juice to drink or something like this. Let's see what happens. It was the third day of the hunger strike and his blood sugar was 66 units, which is low than the optimum blood sugar that should be in a normal person. But at least he's putting in the effort. He's just raising the demands. And I yesterday saw the video of a father who also came to Jantar Mantar and he was showing the photo of his son who committed suicide after this cancellation of the NEET exam. So at least their demand is genuine. The parents whose children committed suicide, they are also coming in support of them. Let's see what happens. I think they need to get a little bit more traction. I think most of the mainstream media outlets are not even covering them. Their coverage has been reduced. But yeah, they at least they are sticking to their demands, they are holding on to their grounds, they are at least putting into the effort, at least. Yeah, let's see what happens. Will they be able to fulfill their demands, make the government fulfill their demands? Will they be able to get the resignation of Dharmendra Pradhan? Let's see what happens. Bye bye.